What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and yeah, I'm winning my truck. That is right, guys. Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today the title has finally come in and has been adjusted and branded for my 2021 Dodge Ram Rebel. Now, I know some of y'all are going to say, well, TK, you're crazy. Why would you buy that back? The powertrain's got like 11,000 miles on it. The interior is basically brand new. If I'm able to win it for the appropriate price, I never have to put it back on the road. I could make a ton of money off that truck parting it out. All right, so let's talk about it for a second on why that's a possibility or why I would even be interested in doing that. And basically, it's just the fact of it's a brand new 2021 Ram. A lot of dealers can't even get the Rebels in stock. Now, I'm not saying all dealers. I know some dealers move more units and they get more allocations. But for the most part, if you try to find a similarly spec'd Ram to what we had there, you're not going to find it. It's just not available right now. So even probably getting it fixed, it could probably sell for more money than it normally would be worth with a salvage title, right? So that's definitely what I'm looking at doing with it. And I know you guys are going to ask about the Green Monstah, and I can tell you I got an update video coming for you guys on that. You guys will get to see that soon. And I know you guys probably thought I was just going to give up on it. And possibly by the last video I did on it, you probably thought that was the case. But now that I know I could actually track the car and could even get a road use out of it, I think I'm going to do that with it. It's limited road use, though. So we'll see. It all depends on what it sells for. That's really the key. So anyways, took a little break. Had to take care of a few different things. Is that a mosquito? Man. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below on the Ram. I'm bidding on it, and I'm willing to go to a certain number on it. I don't really have the emotional attachment to the truck that I did the car. Though the truck does have a salvage title or a rebuildable title, and the car has a certificate of destruction, so nah. Anywho's, let me know what you guys think. And maybe I'll buy it. Maybe we'll use the powertrain for something. I did just pick up another Magnum. Anyways, guys, today's video would not be possible without our great sponsors. And today, our sponsor is Robinhood. You guys ask me about money all the time. I'm very transparent with you guys about how much money I make off of YouTube. Now, you guys have seen my ad revenue and things of that nature. And you guys also know I don't really need the money from YouTube. I make 90-something% of my money from day trading. I get up in the morning, I pick some stocks, I pick some crypto, I make some positions, and then I either sell them at the end of the day or I hold some. And that's where I make my money, not doing these videos. I do these videos out of enjoyment with engaging with you guys. And I also enjoy using Robinhood. I know, shameless plug, right? But right now, Robinhood is doing something ridiculous. Now, if you use the link in the description down below and you sign up for an account, you never had an account before, you can get some free crypto and a free stock. Now, what is that free stock going to be? It could be anything from Tesla to Apple to some $2 oil stock. Who knows? But I've had people here get stock in Visa. I've had people that have used that link in the past that's got Tesla. Tesla's worth, what, $1,200, $1,300, something like that right now. So the best part about it is it's absolutely free. You don't have to transfer any money in. You can literally take that one stock, hold it for a few days, sell it, invest it in something else. You can buy fractional shares now, all kinds of cool things with Robinhood. And I truly appreciate Robinhood for reaching out and renewing their sponsorship or their relationship with the channel, allowing me to continue to, bring you guys this awesome content. So with that said, guys, I want to thank you guys very much for watching. Again, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, click that link in the description, go check out Robinhood, go give it a look, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.